In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track document engagement using PandaDoc. Whether you're following up with a client or optimizing your proposal strategy, understanding how your recipients interact with your documents can make all the difference. So let's jump right in. First, head to the Documents tab in your PandaDoc account. Find and open the document you want to analyze. This could be a proposal, contract, or any sent file. Once it's open, look for the Analytics tab on the right side of the screen and click it. Now you're inside the Analytics dashboard. Here's what you can see. View count shows how many times the document has been opened. Total time spent tells you how long recipients have engaged with the content. Last viewed gives you the exact time of their most recent visit. PDF downloads show if the file has been saved locally, a strong sign of interest. Clicks reveal which buttons or links were interacted with, if you included any. And if you've sent the document to multiple people, you can click on each recipient's name to see how they personally engaged. From time spent to sections viewed, understanding these insights can help you follow up with precision, tailor your communication, and refine future documents for better engagement. That's how you track document performance inside PandaDoc. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other PandaDoc guides.